Music. Looking for cheap flights? This video explores CheapOair, an online travel agency specializing in affordable flights, hotels, and car rentals. Find platform links below. CheapOair is perfect for budget-conscious travelers seeking convenience. Its core feature, the flight booking tool, compares prices across airlines and booking sites, eliminating the need for multiple searches. A standout feature is CheapOair's price match promise. Find a cheaper flight or hotel. They'll match it. This guarantees you the best price. Booking is simple. Search flights, hotels, and rentals in one place using flexible filters. Refine results by budget, schedule, and airline preference. The intuitive interface makes booking a single flight or planning a whole trip easy. CheapOair also rewards you. Earn points on bookings for future discounts, perfect for frequent travelers. For business trips, CheapOair offers corporate travel services with discounted rates, streamlining bookings for companies. Overall, CheapOair is a reliable, budget-friendly platform for leisure and business travel. Its easy interface, price match promise, and loyalty program offer excellent value. Learn more in the description below. Thanks for watching.